Good day, students. This is science class for grade 6, chapter 4, sorting materials into groups. Sorting. The meaning of word sorting is arranging things systematically into groups. Now, before beginning with the chapter, let us understand what is an object and what is a material. Let us understand the difference between the two, how they are different from one another. We have already studied in chapter 1 that food is made up of one or more ingredients. In the similar manner, an object is made up of one or more materials. If you look around, you will find yourself surrounded by variety of objects. For example, table, chair, pencil, almirah, AC, laptop, sofa, TV. All of these are objects. An object could be made up of only one material. For example, wooden chair. Wooden chair is an object which is made up of only one material, that is wood. Also, an object could be made up of many materials. For example, pencil. Pencil is an object is made up of wood, rubber, graphite and a metal. So what is an object? An object is a thing that is made up of one or more materials, and material is what an object is made up of. Next, an object could be made up of large number of materials. Now for example, table. Table is an object which could be made up of wood, plastic or iron, and also utensils. So utensils are the objects which could be made up of plastic, aluminium or steel. And also clothes could be made up of nylon, silk, polyester, etc. The other thing which we need to understand is that a given material is used to make a large number of objects. So wood, for example, wood could be used to make chair, table, cot, door, etc. And paper could be used to make books, calendars, newspapers, paper bags, and also glass could be used to make mirrors, beakers, test tubes, etc. Now we know that there are variety of materials, and these variety of materials are used to make different objects. If we want to make a group of objects that are made of plastic, we can choose various objects like buckets, lunchbox, toys, pipes, etc. All these objects find place in the group of objects made up of plastic. We all have visited the supermarket. You must have noticed that in the supermarket, similar items are kept on the same shelf. This makes it easier to locate things. For example, eatables like biscuits and chocolates are placed on a particular shelf, whereas soaps and detergents are kept on the different shelf. Similarly, rice, pulses are placed in different section. So why it is important to group things? So grouping of things helps in locating the objects more easily. It helps to identify the objects easily and it saves time and energy. Next, how do we decide that a particular material is suitable for making a particular type of object? Let me ask you a question. Why a teacup is made up of plastic or clay and not of cloth? The answer is very simple. A tea mug is always made up of clay or plastic material because its purpose is to hold the tea. And if the tea mug is made with the cloth material, it will not be able to hold the tea. So, based on the properties of materials, the different objects are made. In the next video session, let us learn in detail the properties of materials. Thank you, students.